Kaya po ang title ng video natin is titignan ninyo kung worth it ba yung risk versus dun sa reward na makukuha. This is the monthly chart of Coinbits. So if you're going to notice, patapos na po yung monthly candle natin by tomorrow 8 a.m. So based on this monthly candle, tinitingnan ko yung possible na pattern niya. So ito po yun. Ito yung last cycle. Kinapi ko lang po yung box na yan at nilipat ko dito. So meaning to say, if we're going to follow this cycle or this box on a monthly, there's a probability na makakita tayo ng new high kay Bitoy on or before September. Kasi equal po yan eh. Pwede tayo makakita on or before September. Ngayon, ang tanong, how high will it be? If we're going to follow again this monthly chart, the box, yung taas niya po is just a little above its all-time high. Ito po, ang all-time high niya was 66,900 and then ultimately, nung binasag po yan, nag-record ng new high which is 68,999. So sabi mo na 69,000. So from 66 or 67,000 to a high of 69,000. So that's a $2,000 difference. A $2,000 difference, roughly 6% nung time na yon. So, tignan natin kung kukumpute natin nasaan tayo aabutin. Mga 120, 119, 120. Dito yan, dito. Pero kung hanggang dito sa taas ng box na to, kung same height, nasa 116,000. Kaya po, ang title ng video natin is titignan ninyo kung worth it ba yung risk versus dun sa reward na makukuha. Just in case mag-record tayo ng new all-time high if we're going to enter Bitcoin at the price today.